Okay. So now we are going to have a rapid fire round. Okay. Now Didi will be tagging and only that child to whom Didi has tagged will speak. Okay. Others will be on mute and they will listen. If their name comes, then only they will speak. Okay. Parnika, how many letters are there in alphabets, English alphabets? How many letters?
दीदी मुझे समझ नहीं आया.
Okay. Shaurya. Shaurya, how many letters are there in English alphabet? Ananya, how many letters? Others will be on mute. Others will be on mute.
26.
26. Very good. Okay. Now the next question goes to Mitansh. Mitansh, how many vowels are there?
5.
Very good. Okay. Ananya, Dhar se look here. Tell me the name of those vowels. 5 vowels. Which are those 5 vowels? Unmute and speak fast.
I, A, E, U, N.
Wrong. Ananya, you're wrong because your mummy is telling. So that is not a valid answer. I'm not going to take this answer. Disha. मम्मी सांगत होती मम्मीचा आवाज येत होता.
E-I-O-U.
Very good, very good. Okay, the next question goes to Ayush. Ayush, tell me how many consonants are there? How many consonants? Okay, the question goes to Surabhi. Question goes to Surabhi. How many consonants?
21.
Very good. Okay, now be on mute. Aryan, tell me any 5 consonants. Any 5 consonants.
A, E.
5 consonants. Listen to the question carefully.
B, C, D, F, G.
Very good. Pat your back. Very good. Very good, Aryan. So children, how was this rapid fire round? कैसे लगा आपको खेल के? Rapid fire round. Enjoyed?
अच्छा लगा.
Okay.
Teacher.
Yes. So children, now based on this knowledge, now you know how many consonants are there, how many vowels are there, which are the vowels, which are the consonants. Okay, how many letters are there in English alphabets? These all things you know now. Okay. Now, based on that only, Didi will be introducing you today a new topic in English grammar. Okay. So, do you also know what are nouns? Do you know what are nouns? We have done this before in our first term. Do you remember what is noun? Who will tell me, Viditi? Can you tell me what are nouns? What do you mean by noun? Nouns. Unmute and speak. Nouns. I said nouns. Does anyone remember what we mean by nouns? Nouns. Name of. Yes, Aryan, you know. Can you give the answer?
टीचर जिसका दे जाते हो.
जिसका क्या बेटा?
जिसका नाम दे जाते हो.
किसका नाम? Whose name? We are giving name to what?
Person, place.
Person, place. What about things? Yes, I can see in the chat box things. Very good.
Animal.
Animals. Yes. Very good. So name, place, animal, and things. So when we give a name to a name, when we give a name to a person, place, animal, or a thing, any object, it is called as a noun. Okay. You also know singular noun. Singular noun matlab one. When we are addressing one thing, that is called a singular. When we are addressing more than one, that is called plural. Okay, this much also we know. Now, children, Didi will be introducing you a topic. Okay, let me share my screen with you all first. Yes, so just now we have finished our rapid fire round. And now, children, you also gave me a correct answers in the rapid fire rounds. How many consonants are there? How many vowels are there? What do you mean by noun? Okay, this also you have told me. Now, what we have to do is, there is one more activity. Okay, now you will be listening to, I will be telling you one sound. मैं एक sound बोलूंगी, you will listen to that sound very carefully, and you will name you will name anything. You can name a person or a animal or a place or a thing, whatever. I'm not going to say that you have to only name a particular thing or a particular animal, but you have to listen to that sound carefully, and you can give me a name in the chat box. Okay, in the chat box, right? I will stop sharing this. Listen to Didi carefully. I want the answer.
मैम चैट बॉक्स में क्या लिखना है?
चैट बॉक्स में आपको जो भी आपको पहले साउंड सुनना है, दीदी क्या बोल रही है, कौन सा साउंड बोल रही है, ठीक है? फिर वो साउंड आपको सुन के मुझे कोई भी एक नाउन बताना है. एनी नाउन. इट कुड बी अ नेम ऑफ अ पर्सन, एनिमल, प्लेस और अ थिंग. ठीक है? ओके, नाउ द फर्स्ट साउंड इज प. प. Let me see what answer I am getting in a chat box. Per sound से क्या हो सकता है? Very good. Okay. So the first answer I am okay. ठीक है, तो पहला जिसका आंसर आया है, आई विल राइट दिस आंसर इन दिस चार्ट. ठीक है, आप ये देख सकते हो, यहाँ पे एक चार्ट दीदी ने बनाया है. नाउन दैट बिगिन विथ कॉन्सोनेंट एंड द नाउन दैट बिगिन्स विथ अ वॉवेल. सो यू नो कॉन्सोनेंट क्या होता है, वॉवेल क्या होता है. ओके, अगेन आई विल स्टॉप शेयरिंग. नाउ यू हैव टू अगेन लिसन टू दीदी केयरफुली. नेक्स्ट साउंड इज eh. अच्छा, you have written a. Okay, a. Fine. Okay. Now I got the answer. Okay, very good.
Apple.
Okay. So that will be vowel or a consonant? Vowels, right? So apple. Very good. Now I will stop sharing. The next sound is so. So the next sound is so. Viditi, very good. Okay. Viditi said sun. Okay, so where should I write sun? Whether I should write in consonant के column में, or whether I should write it in a vowel के column में? Who will tell me? Viditi, you only tell me. You gave the answer, you tell me. Should I write it in consonant column or should I write it in vowel के column? Consonant. Okay, very good. So I will write here sun. Okay. Now, next, you have to listen to Didi carefully, okay? Ah. 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 Okay, children, you can see in the chat box also, children are giving answers. Okay, I will take Ananya's answer. Okay, I will take Ananya's answer because the word is small. You should be also able to read the words later on. Okay, so I am taking Ananya's response here. Ananya, tell me, should I write this owl? You said owl. Should I write it in a consonant or a vowel column?
Vowel.
Vowel? Sure.
हाँ.
लॉक किया जाए.
Vowel.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you, Ananya. Okay. Now the next. Okay. 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 Now the next. I will ask. Okay. The next sound is t. 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 Quick. Okay, I got the answer from Ayush. Ayush, where should I write? Should I write in vowel or a consonant column? Where should I write?
Consonant.
Consonant. Why consonant, Ayush? Consonant क्यों बताओ मुझे?
क्योंकि उसका टी से आता है.
T से start होता है. Very good.
उसमें vowel नहीं है.
Okay, very good. उसमें vowel से start नहीं होता है ये word. Very good. Okay, very good. Now the next sound is E. 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 I didn't say eh. I didn't say eh. E. Yes, very good, Swarangi Surabhi. Okay.
Oval.
Yes. So ये और vowels. Because here we are listening to the sound, children. ठीक है, मैंने letter नहीं बोला है, मैंने sound आपको बोला है. So you have to listen to the sound carefully. Ink. Vowel. Very good. Thank you. Okay, so now this much examples are enough now. Now, children, I will stop sharing. Okay, and Didi will be telling you a story. ठीक है, ये चार्ट जो अभी दीदी ने बनाया हुआ है, we will come back to that chart again. But you have to listen to. Are you all? First of all, tell me, are you ready to listen to the story? सुनना है आपको story? Show me thumbs up, thumbs down. What? No excitement? Okay, I can see thumbs up. Fine. So, children, there were 3 brothers. Okay. So, this is not a story of 3 pigs. Huh? This is not a story of 3 pigs. There were 3 brothers. And the name of these 3 brothers were A, An, and the. A, An, and the. And these 3 brothers, they belong to one family. ठीक है, ये जो 3 भाई थे, they belongs to one family. जैसे हमारी खुद की family होती है, right? Now I belong to a Mahadik family. My surname is Mahadik. I belong to Mahadik family. Now Mitansh, he belongs to Mhatre family, right? Same way, these 3 brothers, they belong to article family. Okay, they belongs to article family. And in there, A and An, they were twins. I will show you how A and An looks. Okay, so A, this is how A looks. A and An. Okay, A and An were twin brothers. Twin brother matlab, जैसे you can see in our class also Swarangi and Surabhi are there. Yes, you can see Swarangi, Surabhi, twins. जुड़वा, very good. So वैसे ही A और An जो है वो twins थे. और द जो था वो अलग भाई था, मतलब बड़ा भाई था वो. So we are not going to, in this part of story, we are not going to know something about the, बट हम लोग सिर्फ अ और एन के बारे में सुनेंगे, ठीक है? तो आज की स्टोरी सिर्फ अ की है और एन की, राइट? सो अ एंड एन दोनों में भी बहुत से सिमिलैरिटीज थे. यू कैन सी दैट बोथ ऑफ देम दे लुक सेम, सिमिलर, है ना? दोनों भी सिमिलर है कि नहीं?
पापा
यस,
यस
हाँ, दोनों भी दिखने में सेम है. चिराग, चिराग, who is that? Please be on mute. Who is that? Vihan, be on mute, beta. Okay. So and they were twins. Their likes were also same. You know what do they like? They like always to come before a noun. उनको noun के पहले आना अच्छा लगता है. उनको noun अच्छा लगता है. They always like to point out a noun. Noun means what? A naming word. जैसे कि आपने बताया मुझे एग बताया, किसी ने आइज बताया, किसी ने पेन बताया, है ना? You gave me so many nouns, names of things, different things, place, animals. Yes. So a or an, both of them they like to come always before a noun. उनको हमेशा noun के पहले आना अच्छा लगता है. ये उनकी एक सिमिलैरिटी है. Okay. And that noun should be a singular noun. वो जो noun आप बोल रहे हो ना सेंटेंस में होता है, it should be singular noun. सिर्फ एक noun होना चाहिए. It should not be more than one. It should be a singular noun. Okay. अगर pen है तो it should be only pen. Pens नहीं, plural नहीं, only one. So that is singular. Okay. Then but there were one difference in them. उनमें एक different चीज थी. You know what was that different thing? This he likes to come before a word, a noun, a singular noun that begins with a consonant. ठीक है? जो noun consonant से शुरुआत होता है, right? For example, pig, tree. Okay, ये सब का पहला जो beginning sound क्या है? Beginning sound क्या है? Beginning letter क्या है? प है. Pen अगर मैंने बोला तो it is
consonant
है ना? Consonant हुए कि नहीं? Tree बोला तो T हुआ तो T is a consonant. Yes. So a always comes before a singular noun that begins with a consonant. Yes. And this and it likes to come before a singular noun or a word that begins with what? That begins with a vowel. Vowel मतलब पता है ना? A, E, I, O, U. तो A से जो भी word, A से जो भी हमारा noun start होता है, for example, ant, okay, axe, apple. तो it begins with a, है ना? A से begin होता है, तो उससे पहले उसको an को आना होता है, okay? So an apple. How we will write it in our sentence? An apple. This is an apple.
apple
तो ये हुई स्टोरी अ और एन की. यस, समझ में आया आपको? ये स्टोरी समझ में आई? अ को क्या अच्छा लगता है, एन को क्या अच्छा लगता है? मैं एक बार वापस से वी विल रिवाइज दिस बट ऑन अ, मैं स्क्रीन पे दिखाती हूँ आपको, ठीक है? So here comes. So it was a story time. We learned about, yes. So you can see a is used before a noun beginning with a consonantal sound. अब ये consonants के sound कौन से हैं? B, that is B, C, D, F, G, H. ये जो letters जब भी होते हैं noun में beginning letters, तो तभी you write a. हम लोग पहले अ लिखते हैं क्योंकि अ को अच्छा लगता है consonant के sound. ओ को क्या अच्छा लगता है? Keep this in mind. Consonant sound. एन को कौन सा साउंड अच्छा लगता है? वॉवेल्स का. ठीक है? तो फॉर एग्जाम्पल पेन, व्हेन आई से पेन, तो पेन का पहला जो लेटर है इट इज पी, है ना? तो पी मतलब क्या हुआ? कॉन्सोनेंट. पी इज व्हाट? अ कॉन्सोनेंट. तो यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? अ पेन. मैट, मैट का फर्स्ट साउंड इज व्हाट? एम. आयुष, डोंट डू दैट. एम. So it will be a mat. Dog. So first letter is what? D. है ना? So what I will write? A dog. Okay? इतना समझ में आया बच्चों आपको? Show me thumbs up. Yes. Now we will see an कब use करते हैं? An is used before a noun beginning with a vowel sound. ठीक है, जो vowels होते हैं A, E, I, O, U, तो an को अच्छा लगता है to come before a word or a noun that begins with vowel. Okay. Now just say if I say ant, so when I say ant, so what is the first letter? What is the first sound? A. Okay, A. So A use हुआ यहाँ पे, right? So A use हुआ, so that's why what will come here? An, ant. Okay. When I say ice cream, तो मेरा यहाँ पे पहला जो letter है, it is I. My first letter is I. So what will come before that? An ice cream. Okay. So जब आप English में किसी को बोलोगे that I want an ice cream, I ate an ice cream, you will not say I ate ice cream. You will say I ate ice cream. Umbrella. Okay. Umbrella. तो यहाँ पे क्या होगा? Umbrella में first letter is, what is it? U. तो है कि नहीं? A, E, I, O, U में. So it is a vowel. So what will come? An. Yes. Have you all understood this much? Have you all understood this much? क्या आपको समझ में आया इतना? Yes, Monica? Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Now, children, I will again show you the screen and that we will see. ठीक है? Now this we will do along. सब लोग साथ में अभी करेंगे. Yeah, what will come here? Please be on mute. Someone please be on mute. Kira, be on mute. Okay. Now tell me what will come here. Pig है. So what is my first? Just look at the first this thing. प्रतीक्षा आप बताएंगे मुझे what will come here? आएगा या an आएगा? नहीं लिखना है. Monica, just listen now first carefully. यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? What will come here?
A.
Very good. A pig. Okay. Now Vihan, tell me what will come here. Look at my cursor. What will come here? Apple. This, what is this word? Read this word first. Vihan, quick.
A.
Vihan, unmute and tell me what will come here. Monica, be on.
Apple.
Apple. So what should I write here? Should I write a apple or should I write an apple?
An apple.
Very good, Vihan. Very good.
An.
Now, Monica, please be on mute. Don't unmute. Ayush, tell me. What should I write?
Apple. A sun.
Sun. So what you will write here? A sun or
A.
okay.
A sun.
Okay. But children, I will not take this sun as a word because you know sun को हम a sun नहीं बोलते हैं. Sun is only one. So we say the sun. So I will take something else for this. Okay. I will take sari. A sari. Okay. Now I will ask Pratiksha, tell me what should I write here? Pratiksha, fast. This is which word? Owl. What should I write here? Should I write a or should I write an?
Owl.
A owl or an owl? Look at the first letter.
Owl.
No, no. Okay, I will.
An owl.
An owl. Okay, Zargam, tell me what should I write here? Zargam, fast.
लिखेंगे
Should I write a or should I write an? Fast, Zargam. Okay. An. Very good. Okay, Bhumit, tell me, what is this word? Should I write a tap or should I write an tap?